Hi, welcome to JSR DevOps with Tatna. Today we are discussing about how to installation of Datadog on Ubuntu Linux machine. Let's quickly start. What is Datadog? Datadog is a powerful monitoring and security platform used by DevOps team to get real-time visibility into their servers, application, databases, and cloud infrastructure. With Datadog, we can track performance, monitoring logs, visualization metrics, and even get alerts when something goes wrong. It helps us detect issue early, troubleshoot faster, and keep our system healthy. Datadog is a cloud-based monitoring tool that helps us track the health of our servers, applications, and cloud services. It's widely used in DevOps to get real-time metrics, logs, and alerts in one place. Now I will show you how to installation. This is the official website. It is a free trial version. So once if you register here, if you click on it, once if you register here with your email ID, so you will get a code, and after registration in this official website, after completion of registration, after login the website, so you will get this display. So once if you select where you have to set up and install the Datadog, you can choose anything. So in my case I will choose AWS. If you click next, here it will show install your first Datadog agent. So here I install on Linux, so I'll choose Linux. So you will copy this code and paste your instance. It will take time to install in Linux machine, so wait for few minutes. Once complete setup, then you have to start the Datadog agent. Copy systemctl start Datadog agent and paste and run this command. So Datadog agent will run. Once complete successfully, then you can check here. So we need to finish here, wait for agent to connect. So if once completed, then it show finish, click on it. So here your dashboard will come and check where we are installed the hosted on this Datadog. Once setup is completed, just you can check recent hosts. This is our host. So this is the way of installation of Datadog on Ubuntu Linux machine and host connect to Datadog. This is free trial for 15 days. Thanks for watching. If you have queries, please in comment.